Understanding Political Football, a phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're unpacking a very intriguing expression, political football. This phrase is rich in imagery and meaning, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it signifies but also how to use it confidently in your conversations. So, let's get started. The term, political football, refers to a political issue that is tossed back and forth between parties or groups, much like a football in a game, with no progress being made. It's a topic or issue that is frequently debated and used by political groups to criticize or undermine each other, rather than to find a solution or make a decision. The key here is the lack of resolution and the ongoing, often contentious, debate. Understanding the origins of political football can help us appreciate its usage even more. The phrase borrows from the game of football, soccer in some countries, American football in others, where a ball is literally kicked back and forth with the aim of scoring goals. In the political arena, however, the goals seem to be more about scoring points in public opinion or undermining the opposition rather than finding productive solutions. To see how political football is used in real-life contexts, let's explore a few examples. Climate change has become a political football, with parties arguing over policies but making little real progress. The healthcare debate in the country has turned into a political football, with each side using it to attack the other. These examples illustrate how the phrase can be applied to various issues, highlighting the back-and-forth nature of the debate and the lack of resolution. Using political football in your own conversations or writing can add depth and nuance. It's perfect for situations where you wish to critique the superficial or contentious handling of important issues. For instance, in a discussion, you might say, "Let's not turn this important issue into a political football." In writing, you could comment, "Education reform should be approached with care, not treated as a political football." And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, political football. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and uses of this fascinating expression. Remember, English is full of vivid idioms that enrich our conversations and understanding. Keep learning, and don't let the intricacies of language become your own political football. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.